Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on North Street in downtown Kingston. So this is the famous North Street. And North Street is famous because it has two very prominent high schools on it. It has Kingston College and St. George's College. Also has a lot of churches. This is North Street. On the left is St. George's College, where they have the blue fence. On the right is Kingston College. And there on the left is the church, Holy Trinity Catholic Cathedral. I'll give you a view of the church. That's a nice view of the church here. There's also Holy Trinity High School here as well, but it's not as popular or famous as Kingston College or St. George's College. But this area has three very large schools. Alright, so straight ahead now is Camp Road. And there's another church on the right. So Kingston College is associated with a church, and so is St. George's College. Most of the schools in Jamaica were founded by churches, and they are still affiliated with the churches. Alright, so we're on South Camp Road now. And this is South Camp Road. Further up, it changes into Camp Road. So most times persons just think of the entire thing as just one road. But it's actually two. This is South Camp Road, and this is where you have Sabina Park, which is the facility on the left, which is a very famous cricket grounds. And further up where you have the JDF base Up Park Camp, that is Camp Road. On the left you have a car dealership, that's Mercedes-Benz, and you have the Suzuki dealership right before it. Alright, so we're going to turn on to go onto Deanery Road, but we decided to just go straight up. So we're now on Camp Road. It changes names at that stoplight. So on the right is the Hammond Barracks, which is the for the Jamaica Constabulary Force. It's like dormitories where police officers can stay. So this entire strip of land on the right belongs to the JCF. On the left is Bert's Auto Parts, which is a very popular auto parts store in Jamaica. So this entire area on the right belongs to the JCF. And then where you see the towers now, it's a prison. They call it gun court. Actually, yeah. And then where you see the black fence now, the grill fence, that's where Up Park Camp starts. And Up Park Camp is the army base for Jamaica. It's the main base for the Jamaica Defense Force, a military base. And that's where they have the air wing, they have the motorized infant, it's not tanks, but it's armored personnel carriers, those kind of things. Everything is over there. As well as the Jamaica Regiment is over there as well. I think they have 3 Jamaica regiments. And they rotate them for 6 months. The 1st Jamaica Regiment will be over there. For the next 6 months, it will be the 2nd Jamaica Regiment. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.